Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the chat color in Signal in 2021. It's super simple, works on iOS and Android. So if this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is go to the chat you want to change the color to. I'm just texting myself because I don't want to reveal any phone numbers. So to change the color, you just want to click on the profile picture of the person at the top left. And now you'll see more options if you're texting an actual person, but there is the option chat color. And there you can change it to whatever you want, for example, to red. And now, as you can see, the chat color has changed to red. You can also do it for any color, for example, green. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.